Speak in your video like that.
What happens if I tell you I'm recording?
You're recording. Hello.
Hi everyone! Look who do we have this week? One of my good friends, Aziza. And she'll be joining us today in a challenge video. Yay! So, our first challenge of the day. Aziza, have you heard of the fart soundboard challenge? No, okay, that's very good. Okay. So this challenge was inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers. And basically, the rules of the game goes like this. Each of us will have to select a fart sound on this soundboard that we found online. And then the process is like this. First you have to name the fart, because each fart will have a different name.
Okay.
Then you'll get to play the fart out on this speaker. And you can give whatever action you want to the fart. Okay?
Okay. Cool.
Objective of the game is not laugh.
Oh. So you win.
First person to reach 5 points win. So do you want to go first?
No, you go first.
By the way, after naming the part, you can give about 5 seconds. Then you name the part again and repeat the process. So do whatever action you want. So the violin is. Oh my god, where's the sound? Wait, that wasn't a part. I don't know why I did that.
Maybe the violin is the sound.
You can smell that. Okay, let's try again. Okay, right, no laughing. The trumpetier. I like music instruments. This is gonna be called the trumpetier. Okay, you laugh. Yeah, that's 1 point. Okay, do you want to go ahead and pick a fart sound? There are two choices, so you can choose from this side. There's Jurassic parts.
Okay, go to the Jurassic part. I want like a dinosaur part.
Okay, so so the part is gonna be named the Jurassic part. That's okay.
But let's just. Oh, I know, that's not really just music.
So do you want to act it out?
Okay, come, let's go. I can't. You're gonna laugh, I don't care, it's 1 point for me.
Let me see. What? Ooh, mudslide. Sounds like something you shot. Okay, let's hear it. Mudslide. Oh my god. I think you can hear the liquid.
That was the one when you have diarrhea.
Yeah, it's like you go to the toilet and you're like Is that considered as a laugh?
Mine is a laugh. I'm laughing for everything, that's not fair. It's not fair. This was planned to make me laugh.
Yeah, you're not supposed to laugh. Okay, go your turn. Okay, go and spin.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
That's like.
Do you want to act it
Now
out?
I feel like farting, I'm just kidding.
Fine, wait. This is called an Aziza laugh.
That was such a pedo face, do it again. Imagine if I want to rape someone and give them that face.
Wow.
Play the part sound now.
Selective part.
Like my part. Sorry.
Oh, okay, I'm not laughing.
That's already 3 points to win. Not good.
Is it 3 points?
Yeah, for you, not for me. It's because I paused one.
Okay. Oprah Winfrey. This will be interesting.
Whoa! 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 What was the immediate laughter?
For fun, just play a game for fun.
Whoa!
Oh man.
There go fun in life.
Okay, your turn. That's 4-1. Another one.
Okay. Smoothie.
Smoothie. Oh.
Smoothie time. Oh, I like this one.
Smooth part.
The smooth one.
It's like one of those parts that you really feel like you lost a lot of weight. It's like
Yeah, like that. Oh, amazing. One more time. Okay, then. Well, luckily.
Rip Brown. Sounds like something your pants will tear when you fall.
Wow.
Ready?
That was the best part in my life.
It's like when your butt cheek just fail you. You're trying to hold it in. You're like, it's okay. Let's do it. Your best impression of this part.
Are ya ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Okay, ready? Ready?
That was not me.
Let's just do one more for fun.
Okay. Let's choose.
Oh my god, it's a lawnmower.
Where?
This is a lawnmower.
Okay, lawnmower fight.
Oh, that's like a normal fight.
It's like the everyday fight.
Yeah.
C flag.
Sounds like something you fight on for cushion, right?
Yeah. Hey, the corner of the cushion. Okay.
Actually, nobody wins. It's about fights. Everybody wins. Okay, so thank you for participating in this very short challenge, and we are very distracted by a lot of things. Yeah, if you like that video, subscribe because I make videos every week, and hit the thumbs up button. If not, we'll see you next time.
That's the one.
No, it's okay. You want to do it?
Okay.
Remember, crack is whack, and so is Greg. Signing out. It's like you ascend. Let's rise, and you just go. That's a wrap.